So today we are going to start the session. This is week 7 problem solving session, microelectronics, microsensor implantable devices and rodent surgeries for biomedical application. So I'm Arpita Biswas, a PhD scholar from IIT Jodhpur and electrical engineering department. So let's start the session. So this is more details about me. So in this session, we are going to discuss about some MCQ question. So please try to give the answer. So this is the first question. What is the full form of MIA? First option is microelectrical assay. Second option is the microelectrode array. Third option is the microelectronic arrangement. And fourth option is microelectrical array. So please try to solve this question. So go through the question carefully. What is the full form of MIA? So what is the right answer? The right answer is option B, microelectrode array. So next move towards the question number 2. Why do we deposit a thin layer of titanium or chromium before the deposition of gold in the fabrication process? So first option is to improve charge conduction. Second option is to improve the adhesion. Third, to improve the expansion. And fourth option is to improve the solid dissolution of gold. So please go through the question carefully and try to find out the right option. What is the right answer? The right answer is option B, to improve the adhesion. Okay. So next move toward the question number 3. What bonding technique was used to attach the silicon-based electrode array to the PCB? First option is the flip chip bonding. Second is the wire bonding. Third is the tape bonding, and fourth is the ball bonding. So what is the right option? So the right option is wire bonding, option B. Okay. Next move to the question number 4. Which characterization technique is used to evaluate the average impedance of the electrode inside in electrolytic solution? First option is the electrical impedance tomography. Second option is the electrical impedance spectroscopy. Third option is the electrochemical impedance spectroscopy. And fourth option is the electronic impedance spectroscopy. So, what is the right option here? The right option is option C, electrochemical impedance spectroscopy. Okay. Next, move toward the question number 5. What is the first layer of anatomy that comes after a skin incision in a spinal dissection? First option is the muscle layer, and second option is the vertebral column, and third option is the spinal cord, and fourth option is the spinal cavity. So, what is the right option here? The right option is option A, muscle layer. Okay. So next move toward the question number 6. Spinal cord is present inside dash. Vertebral cavity, spinal canal, spinal section, or a spinal space. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option B, the spinal canal. Okay. So next move toward the question number 7. In rat's body, the cranial and caudal directions are respectively toward dash and dash. First option is head and limbs. Second is the head and ears. Third is the head and jaw. And fourth option is the head and tail. So please try to solve this question. So what is the right answer here? The question number 7, the right answer is option D, head and tail. Okay. So next move toward the question number 8. The spinal um, vertebra ends at dash. First option is the tailbone, second is the hip bone, then abdominal cavity, and fourth option is the neck bone. So what is the right answer here? The right option is tailbone. Okay. Next move toward the question number 9. Which is the correct order of workflow for 3D printing? First is the CAD modeling, then slicing, layer-wise assembly, then final product. Second option is the slicing, then CAD modeling, then layer-wise assembly, then final product. Or option C is the layer-wise assembly, then CAD modeling, then slicing, then final product. And option D is the CAD modeling, layer-wise assembly, slicing, then final product. So please try to solve this question. The right option is option A. Okay. CAD modeling, then slicing, then layer-wise assembly, and then final product. So next move towards the question number 10. What is the full form of LFP? First, the local field potential, then local field parameters, then low field potentials, and low field parameters. So the right option is option A, local field potential. Okay. Next, move toward the question number 11. What is the primary function of bioresonable microelectrode array? First option is the long-term neural simulation. Second option is the temporal neural recording and simulations. Third option is the permanent bioimplant for electrical therapy. Fourth option is the enhancing muscles contractions. The right option is temporary neural recording and stimulations. Question number 12 is how do bioresonable microelectrode array degrades in the body? First option is by the thermal degradation, second by mechanical wear, third option by hydrolysis and enzymatic action, and option D is by oxidation. So the right option is option C by hydrolysis and enzymatic action. Okay. Next question number 13. Which of the following application is not a primary use of bioresonable microelectrode array? First option, temporary neurostimulation. Second, the post-surgical neural monitoring. Third is the permanent brain-computer interfaces. And option D is the drug delivery monitoring. So what is the right option? The right option is option C, permanent brain computing interfaces. Next question number 14. What factor influences the degradation rate of bioreasonable microelectrode array? pH of surrounding tissue. Second is the material composition. Third is the temperature. Fourth option, all of the above. The right option is all of the above. Next question number 15. Which of the following is the major challenge in the development of bioreasonable microelectrode array? First option is maintaining the mechanical stability before degradation. Second option is the controlling the degradation rate. Third option is ensuring the biocompatibility, and option D is all of the above. So what is the right option? So what is the right option? The right option is all of the above. Next, move towards the question number 16. What is the key method used to fabricate the bioreasonable microelectrode array? First option is the 3D printing, second is the photolithography, third is the electroplating, and option D is the laser etching. So what is the right option here? Right option is Photolithography, option B. Next question number 17. Which type of signal is commonly recorded using the bioresonable microelectrode arrays? First option is the neural electrical signal. Second option is the optical signal. Third is the ultrasound wave. And option D is the thermal functions. The right option is option A, the neural electrical signals. Next, question number 18. Why are bioresonable microelectrode array important for post-surgical monitoring? First option is they improve the long-term implant performance. Second, they reduce the complication by eliminating the removal surgery. Third option is they provide the stronger electrical signal than traditional electrodes. And option D is they are resistant to bodily fluid. So what is the right option? The right option is option B. They reduce the complication by eliminating removal surgery. Question number 19. What is the primary function of the spinal cord in the nervous system? First option is generating voluntary movement. Second is the transmitting sensory and motor signals between the brain and body. Option C is regulating the emotion, and option D is controlling the hormone um, secretions. Right option is option B, transmitting sensory and motor signal between the brain and body. Next, move toward the question number 20. Which part of the spinal cord contains the motor neuron cell bodies? Uh, Dorsal horn. Second is the ventral horn. Third is the lateral horn. And option D is the central canal. The right option is option B, ventral horn. Next question number 21. The spinal cord is divided into how many main regions? 3, 4, 5, or 6? So the right option is option C, 5. Okay. The next question number 22. Which of the following is not a major division of the spinal cord? First option is the cervical, then cranial, then thoracic, and then sacral. So it is the right option. So what is the right option? The question number 22. The right option is option B, the cranial. Okay. Next, move towards the question number 23. What is the function of the dorsal root ganglion? First option is to conduct the motor signal to muscles. Second option is the process the spinal reflexes. Third option is transmit the sensory information to the spinal cord. And option D is the connect the spinal cord to the brain stream. So please go through the question carefully and try to find out the right option. So it is the right answer here. The question number 23. The right option is option C. Transmit the sensory information to the spinal cord. Okay. Next, move to the question number 24. Which meningeal layer is closest to the spinal cord? First option is the dura mater. Second is the arachnoid mater. And third option is the phi mater. And option D is the subarachnoid space. So please go through the question carefully and try to find out the right option. So go through the question carefully. Which meningeal layer is closest to the spinal cord? First option is the dura mater. Second option is the arachnoid mater. Option C is the phi mater, and option D is the subarachnoid spaces. So what is the right option? So what is the right option here? The right option is option C, phi mater. Okay. Next, move to the question number 24, 25. What structure connect the spinal cord to the brain? Cerebral, medulla oblongata, thalamus, or corpus callosum? So, what is the right option here? Go through the question carefully. What structure connect the spinal cord to the brain? First option is the cerebellum, second is the medulla oblongata, then thalamus, then corpus callosum. So, what is the right option? Okay. Um, Try to solve this question. I'm coming back in 1 minute. So, what is the right option here? So, the right option is option B, medulla oblongata. So, next, question number 26. Which neurotransmitter is primarily involved in motor signal transmission at the spinal level? First option is the acetylcholine, second is the dopamine, then option C is the serotonin, and option D is the glutamate. So, what is the right option? The right option is option A, acetylcholine. Then, question number 27. Which spinal tract is responsible for the voluntary motor control? First option is the uh, spinothalamic tract. Second is the corticospinal tract. C is the dorsal column tract. Option D is the reticulospinal tract. So let's try to solve this question. So what is the right option? So the right option, question number 27, is option B, the corticospinal tract. Okay. Next, move towards the question number 28. What is the purpose of the cerebrospinal fluid surrounding the spinal cord? First option is conducting the electrical impulses. Second option is providing the cushioning and nutrient transport. And option C is the regulating the blood flow. And option D is the storing neurotransmitter. So what is the right option here? The right option is option B, provide the cushioning and nutrient transport. Next, question number 29. Which of the following is a key advantage of 3D printing over the traditional manufacturing method? First option is the higher material waste. Second is the customization and complex geometries, and option C is the requires more assembly step. Option D is limited design flexibility. So what is the right option here? The right option is option B, customization and complex geometries. Which material is commonly used in biomedical 3D printing? Copper, biodegradable polymers like PLA and PCl, tungsten, or asphalt. So it is the right option here. The right option is option B, biodegradable polymers like PLA and PCl. Then question number 31. What is the primary function of support structure in 3D printing? First option to increase the printing speed. Second, to prevent the overhangs from collapsing. Third, option C is to strengthen the final product, and option D is to improve the surface finish. So it is the right option here. The right option is to prevent the overhangs from collapsing. So next question number 32. Which of the following 3D printing method uses a laser to cure the liquid resin? First option is fused deposition modeling, then stereolithography, then selective laser sintering, then direct ink writing. So what is the right option here? The right option is option B, the SLA. Okay. So next move towards the question number 33. What is the key limitation of fuse deposition modeling? Requires a vacuum environment, then limited resolution and layer adhesion issues. Then option C is incompatible with the thermoplastics plastic. And option D is cannot print a support a structure. So what is the right option? So what is the key limitation of fuse deposition modeling? Required a vacuum environment, then limited resolution and layer adhesion issues. Then option C is incompatible with the thermoplastics, and option D is cannot print support a structure. So it is the right option. The right option is option B, limited resolution and layer adhesion issues. Okay. So next question number 34. Which post-processing technique is commonly used to smooth the surface 3D printed parts? First option is the sandings and chemical vapor smoothing, then increasing the layer height. The next option is reducing the print speed, and option D is adding the additional layer to the material. So please try to solve this question. So what is the right option here?
Question number 34. The right option is option A, standing and chemical vapor smoothing. Okay. So next move towards the question number 35. What factor influences the strength and durability of 3D printed object? First option is the nozzle temperature, second is the layer height, third is the infill density, and option D is all of the above. So what is the right option?
So the right option is all of the above. Okay. So next move toward the question number 36. Which industry benefits significantly from 3D printing for rapid prototyping and custom production? First option is the textile manufacturing, second is the mining, third is the aerospace and healthcare, and option D is the agriculture. So what is the right option here? The right option is option C, the aerospace and healthcare. Okay. Next, the question number 37. What is a key challenge in metal 3D printing? First option is the high energy consumption. Second option is the inability to print the complex geometries. Option C is the limited application in industry. And option D is incompatibility with the CAD design. So, what is the right option? Question number 37. The right option is option A, the high energy consumption and cost. Okay. So next move toward the question number 38. Which of the following is an emerging trend in 3D printing technologies? First is the reduced automations. Second is the multi-material and multi-color printing. Third is the decreasing customization options. Option D is less focus on sustainability. So this is the last question. Please try to solve this question. So the right option is option B, the multi-material and multicolor printing. Okay, so we are ending the session here. Next, we will meet next Tuesday, 7 to 9 p.m. Okay, thank you.